Have you ever pondered over the idea of making money with Canva Pro? Imagine the world of possibilities that could open up with a professional design tool at your fingertips. Today, we delve into the process of obtaining Canva Pro and how to turn this powerful platform into your personal goldmine. First, what exactly is Canva Pro? It's an upgraded version of Canva, a popular graphic design tool that offers premium features such as millions of stock images, videos, audio and graphics, unlimited folders, exclusive access to premium fonts, and advanced editing tools. So you're wondering, how do you get Canva Pro? It's simple. Just head over to the Canva website, look for the Pro option in the menu bar, click on it and you'll be directed to a page with more information about the Pro version. Here, you can choose a subscription that suits your needs, monthly or yearly. Fill in your payment details and voila, you're now a Canva Pro user. Now, how do you make money with Canva Pro? There are several ways to do this. One of the best ways to start is by offering freelance design services. With Canva Pro's vast library of resources, you can create stunning designs for clients across the globe. This could be anything from social media posts and logos to presentations and flyers. Another option is to create and sell digital products. Have a knack for creating eye-catching Instagram templates or ebook covers? Canva Pro gives you the tools to create these products with ease, which you can then sell on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Ever thought about teaching? With your Canva Pro subscription, you could offer online courses or tutorials on graphic design. Share your knowledge with others and make money while doing so. Finally, Canva Pro can be used to create marketing materials for your own business. From social media ads to promotional videos, Canva Pro can help you enhance your brand's visibility, eventually leading to increased sales. To summarize, getting Canva Pro is as easy as visiting the Canva website, choosing a subscription, and providing your payment details. Making money with Canva Pro can be achieved by offering freelance design services, selling digital products, teaching online courses, or promoting your own business. Remember, creativity is the key. The more unique and engaging your designs are, the more value you'll be able to provide, and the more money you can potentially make. So take the leap. Get Canva Pro and unlock a whole new world of design possibilities and potential income streams. Your journey to becoming a successful graphic designer could be just a few clicks away. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to getting Canva Pro and making money with it. Embrace the power of design and start your journey to financial freedom today.